Today on The Explainer, we're showing you how to vet an apparel factory from literally anywhere. Factory visits used to mean flights, visas, the whole deal. But what happens when you're grounded? Thanks to modern sourcing, you can do it virtually. And we're going to show you exactly how. Okay, let's get into it. First, there are some ground rules you absolutely have to know. A promotional video? That's not a tour. What you want is a live, unedited walkthrough. During the call, you are in charge. Don't be shy. Direct the camera wherever you want. Now, let's talk about your checklist. Getting this right is absolutely key to the whole process. Here's the typical flow of production. You'll want your tour to follow this exact path.
Part 1 of your checklist, verifying production capacity. Keep an eye out for these key things.
And of course, responsible sourcing means checking worker conditions. Are they meeting acceptable standards?
Okay, but a virtual tour isn't magic. It's super important to understand the camera's limitations.
And this really nails it. These tours are a great tool, not a full replacement for audits.
So yeah, be aware of these limitations. For high-stakes orders, a third-party audit is still the way to go.
But you can definitely overcome some of these limitations. Here's how you can dig a little deeper. This helps you avoid a common trap, a trading company pretending to be a real manufacturer. Then, get them to share their screen. This lets you verify crucial documents in real time.
To really minimize risk, the best strategy is what we call a hybrid sourcing model.
So what does this actually mean? Well, it means you don't have to do it all alone. Here are a few ways to get that on-the-ground support. It's a super common practice. This isn't some new idea. In major hubs like Bangladesh, this is already the standard. And the technology is just going to keep getting better, making remote inspections even more powerful.
The takeaway is clear. These virtual tools are powerful. The real question is, how will you use them?